are leaving Trinidad and heading to Tobago. We checked out the food stalls at the airport to see if we could grab some breakfast, but unfortunately everything was closed on Christmas. The flight from Trinidad to Tobago lasts only 15 minutes, so it is over before you know it. Our first stop in Tobago was Castara Bay, which is near the airport. It's an area with some shops and a beautiful beach. We geared up for our 1-hour drive across the island to Castara Bay. And we arrived to our beautiful paradise on the beach. We picked up some shrimp for dinner, and then settled in for the evening to prepare for an exciting day ahead. We then embarked on a day excursion which included exploring the island by car and a glass bottom boat tour. We headed to Little Tobago, passing Goat Island on the way. It was a little bit of a bumpy ride on the way to the island, so make sure to bring your sea legs. While on Little Tobago, there's a hike you can do to a few viewpoints overlooking the area. After our visit to Little Tobago, we headed back to the boat for some swimming and snorkeling. On the way back, we saw Kings Bay and stopped at Kings Bay Waterfall. After the tour, we went back to relax and picked up some dinner of mahi-mahi from the almond tree. Today is all about a relaxing beach day in Castara. Every day the nets get pulled in on shore at Castara with today's catch of fresh fish.